Hi guys, welcome back to the Air Weapon channel. So today another unboxing video. What we got here is a Siege 300 from EK Archery Go Guns UK. I have already done an unboxing and testing video on this crossbow before. If you've seen that video, you will have seen that on the testing video the magazine had a misfire, exploded and cut the string. So I did get in contact with Go Guns UK and they were good enough to replace the whole crossbow and magazine for a new one. They also did offer to assemble and test it for me before they sent it out. I did accept. I'm not sure if it's been done. As you can tell, it's not been opened yet. So fingers crossed when I open this, it's already been done. So all I got to do is just chuck the thing together and put a magazine on. If not, I'm going to have to do a whole new video on reassembling it. But let's get to opening the box. Paper tape's quite tough. So it looks like they have assembled the crossbow. But they've destroyed my bloody box. So I no longer have an EK Archery box by the looks of it. They could have took the limb off when they sent it out, man. And the magazine. Well, this is the bow. This is how it come. I'm grateful for it being assembled, but I'm pretty disappointed that it got sent out like this, in a box like this. Could have at least taken the magazine and the limb off to make sure no damage has occurred to it, because as you can tell, this box has got some massive holes in it, so it has been bashed about on delivery here. But everything is looking okay. Until we get it down the field and test it out, won't really know. Everything's been bashed about in here, man. Well, hopefully everything is all in working order, because as you can see, there's a mess in there. Nothing is secure. Listen, everything is just flapping about in there. There goes all the spare parts. Screws falling out the box. Come on guys, you could have done a better job. these are all the parts. First thing I'm going to do is get the bipod on. If I can find the screw that's supposed to come with it. I think it might be this, or is that too big? So here we have some stickers which go on here every time you adjust the limb. And then we have some wax string, bolt, 2 Allen keys, and some arrowheads for the siege. Ooh. And 3 little O-rings. Almost missed them then. Let's get these on here. Siege arrows, Cobra Siege Steam. 15.5 inches. Don't quite know how heavy they are. They feel quite light. So, the crossbow. I haven't got my mat and I don't want to scratch my table, so we are going to put this here like this. And as far as I know, this just goes in here like so. There we go. Let's make sure that's extra tight. So there's the crossbow, guys. He's looking alright so far. So over here will be a pin that we just push. Don't pull it all the way out. On my Cobra adder, this is loose. On here it's loose as well. If you get a bit of black electrical tape, just put it all the way around there, one wrap tight, overlapping, cut out them 2 holes and you won't have no more wobble. As you can see, they wobble. One black electrical tape wrap and that's all you need to stop that wobble. So that's that attached. I hope this scope is working properly, because it did take a few little bashes about on delivery here. It's pretty dirty too. So these are the scopes, come with your lenses. And then here's where your battery goes. And it comes with a battery too. Now this scope isn't green with the light. I think it's red and blue instead of red and green. So is that on? I don't know if you can see that in there. That's quite a clear scope. Don't know how well it's going to work. And then there's your red. So that's turned off now. Quick release. Right, so that's the scope on, the stock on, the bipod on. Now for the foregrip, just undo the bottom here, slide him on here, Now I'm going to put it all the way down, so I will attach a flashlight or a bayonet or something here. Oh, it's a bit wobbly. Right, so that's that one on. We have an EK archery sling that comes with this too. I particularly don't like using slings on crossbows, so I won't use it, but it is a very nice sling. I will use this on an air rifle or an airsoft rifle. To be fair, it's a pretty decent quality one. Right, so in my last video, a lot of people questioned why I was shooting adder bolts with the Siege. It's what comes with them. It does say Cobra adder steam on the front, 7.5 carbon bolts, but on the back here it says Siege large spines. So I did try putting these in the Cobra adder magazine and they don't fit. They are slightly too long. I don't know if it's the arrowheads that make them too long or if the spines are slightly longer, but they definitely overlap by about, say, 6 to 8 mil. So yeah, they are for the Siege. They do say adder, they do look like adder, but they're not adder, they're for the Siege. They're slightly heavier than the Cobra adder ones as well. So I'm not going to open the bolts today. I'm going to open these when we get down the field and make a video on testing this thing out. Only use arrows that are compatible with the Siege magazine. Yes, I know that. Also comes with a pair of glasses. This one's slightly different to the one I purchased. It's actually got EK archery on the bottom. Tidy. So here's the arrow holder. EK archery badge on the bottom. So with this, I am going to put this one on this side because I've already got another one to go on the other side. So this goes on here, like so. And I'm going to need a screwdriver. So you're not going to get to see this bit because I'm doing it on this side. Let me see if I don't really want to lean the bow on that limb, but that is how they bloody sent it to me though. I'm going to keep it like that. Right, so that's on here like that. Now that will slide on here like so. And that will attach under here like so. Gonna need a flathead because with the throwing arm on, my fat fingers can't get in there properly. Don't want to over tighten it. Fair enough so it don't come off. So let's get this one on here like so. Alright guys, crossbow is built now. Let's get some of these arrows in the holders. Right then guys, he's completely built. It's a bloody monster, isn't it? What do you think? It's quite heavy too for a crossbow. So that's what he's looking like. A beast, man. Scope needs turning to the left slightly. The line's on a slight tilt. But yeah, that's quite impressive, guys. So guys, what do you think of this? Huh? That is a beast. Come on. So we'll be taking this thing down the field and testing it out over the next day or two. We're just going to wait for the weather to get a bit better. I'll pick up a car door tomorrow and we'll do a car door testing video like we did with the Cobra Adder and the X Elite Air Saber X2. So far the X2 did make it through the car door, the Adder didn't, so we'll see what this thing can do, as it's supposed to be more powerful than the Adder. And yeah, look forward to doing some testing videos on it. Right guys, hope you enjoyed that from me and the Siege. Hope you all tune in to the next couple of videos where we'll be testing it out, shooting a car door, shooting some zombies, water bottles. I'll do pretty much all the same tests I've done with the Cobra Adder with this to see what the difference is. I'll do side-by-side shooting tests with the Cobra Adder and this, and shooting at the same objects, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't explode on me. Hopefully it all works perfect. I've got one problem though. I can't do no chronograph shooting anymore. When I done the testing video on the original one of these, when the magazine exploded, the arrow did shoot out the front and it went through my chronograph machine. So I no longer have a chronograph machine. There's the arrow wedged in there. Devastated. So no more chronographing for me for a while. So then guys, see you all on the next one. Can't wait to get in the field and shoot this thing, man. Bye bye for now.